Welcome to the new song Hum Tere Bin from the film Ashiki 2, which is also called Tum Hi Ho. So the song is written by me for you to play with comforts without having heard on reading too many sharps and flags, and very close to the original scale. So I have written the song in E minor carrying one sharp, that is the F sharp. Scale is this is the harmonic minor of E minor, and implicating chords of E minor, A minor, and D major, C major. All these chords are going to be observed by you when you play the song. So let's start the song, and you have already the notes written there within the heads of the notes. You have the alphabet so that it's more comfortable. You take less time in reading the score, right? So bar by bar, we'll see the first line. First line goes, and see my fingering, how I'm holding my fingering, so that I can play very smoothly 1, 2, 3, 4 bars of the first intro music. I played E, G, B. Then I played C, G, A, F. I repeated 4 times. Sorry. Then I start the song. That was my first bar. See the fingering. I rotate my 5 fingers without any difficulties. I started with the first finger on thumb on the B. Then I could come until the B with the 2 finger. So then I can lift for the third finger for the B for the bar number 6. So I finished the 2 bars 5 and 6. Next, so how I use my finger, the way the scale is being played. This is how I play the scale with the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Same formula for playing all song. So I come back again from 5, bar number 5. Now here I change my finger. Here again I change my finger. So I'm in the 5 finger position, as usually we play. We either this way, continuous 5 fingers, or looking to the notes, how the notes are being grouped and stacked one by one, how they are moving. So, fourth finger, again I came back to the E sound so that I can play the music. I lifted again my finger to go back to the same B for the song again. This is the bar number 11 and 12. I lift my hand with the new fingering, fourth finger. I use the fourth finger, A, G, A, D, F, A, D, E, and again move my hand for the next movement in the same way. fourth finger. A small music is there, you can play or you need not play. And it starts from the song. So 20th bar, 19th bar, then we move on. 21st bar, can move your finger was this way, first G position. Now I come to 5-finger position. So I use my second finger on F sharp. Then I use again change the finger to 3. Then I use the third, 1, 2. Again I could reach back to the same song, same fingering, so that you are again back to the same place. Same place. Bar number 25. I use the second finger on F sharp. Fourth finger. Next I lifted third finger. F, E, F, D, E. Now then the music continues from there. So we'll be playing a little bit of the music so that it gives some kind of inspiration to you, so that you're feeling as if you're playing the original song. Yes, of course, it's original. So you move from there. Bar number 28 I played. 29. What did they do there? 29. These 3 notes are very quick. That's all. Then next. Then a small note which is called E sharp, that's the F natural, is crushed before the F sharp. Then (33), change the fingering. Then we go to 16th bar, B. Same style what we learned at the beginning. Change the fingering to 4. One more time, bar number 36. Then change your fingering. (39). We finish 40. (42). Now a new movement comes. So 42, 43 at the fourth beat we have. So we played like that. So let us start from 42 to understand it better. After here, you know what. Now E, F, E, F, F, E, F, F, C, C, B, A, B. Next, change your finger. So how did I play that? 46th bar. So 45th bars, that portion. Then 46th. Then change your finger. So I complete up to the end of the 47, 48 will be this. So the whole 45 to 48 I'll play again. new movement. Again, I am in G position. This movement you already played. Now move your finger for second finger on F sharp. This you already learned. For 51 again. 2, 4, 3, 3, 2, 3. Then again, how I move my finger? Use my third finger, second finger. Lifted my finger for 54 bar. Again the music. Next we go to the song. Next portion of the song 61. Again A position, or you can have a B position, depending on the notes how it moves. So you can have a B position on finger B and D, E, F sharp. So I played that 61 bar. I played E, F. So 61 to 64. One more time. Rest. Next, 64, fourth beat. So I played from 64 to 66. One more time. Then I continued on the bar number 67. One more time, D, C, A, bar number 69. Then move your hand to D position. Bring the finger number 3 on the F sharp. Then again move your hand to V position. Change your fingering. Then you're done with the song. You know the next movement. Again move your third on the F sharp. Second finger, bar number 78. Then move your hand for the bar number 83 to B position. Move your hand to A position. Then use the second finger on the F sharp. So we are done with the song, and you are feeling the song in the same way. If you want, you can go back to the beginning and play the song again, and you can enjoy it using your auto accompaniment chords on the keyboard.